Hello everybody, and today one more Victorinox watch. I guess you remember couple review what I already made, and it's third one for almost same model but different colors. Each have chronograph. Nobody interested about case, right? Okay. Wow. Looks like military. Why? Because looks too green for regular life. So looks nice. Black on green looks cool. Yeah. I have two another model and the same model, different color, but this is, for me more preferable. This Victorinox Swiss Army original chronograph quartz movement men's watch. Retail price $450. Retail price. Online store price approximately $150 till $200. Nice. For me it's good price for this model. Size, it's 40 millimeters without crown and 11 millimeters thickness. It's mineral crystal, 100 meters water resistant or 100 meters, it's 330 feet. Crown, it's black PVD stainless steel. Case, it's black PVD stainless steel either. 3 subdials. Green fabric strap, netto style, solid case back, company name, I turn off light if you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Too bright hand. Green always win, I guess. Looks very solid. Nice. And like you remember, I have another color with same brand, same model. It's looks cool, but this is looks like gold. Not really, not so close to military, I guess. And third one, it's gray. Which one better? I think it's green. Looks more military if we talk about this. This less, this so. and you can realize time in green one more easy than here, because it's white numbers. Here I see nothing, just, you know, same here. So if I have choice, I take definitely green. You can write in under video which one you like. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website ireviewwatches.com. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.